Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I made these really beautiful wall sconces using some inexpensive metal ribbon and other items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Interested? Then just keep watching. For this project, I used some of this metal ribbon from Hobby Lobby, two 5x7 picture frames, two 4x6 ornate framed mirrors, some clear acrylic gems, some thumbtacks. I also used this LED remote controlled light from Five Below. I used my E6000, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove all of the contents from my 5x7 silver metallic picture frames. I then used a combination of E6000 and hot glue to glue those two frames together. While that dried, I cut my metal ribbon into 8 smaller pieces. Next, I added additional hot glue to the back and the front of the frames to ensure they were securely attached. Next, I used thumbtacks to attach my metal ribbon pieces to my picture frames. Here you see me adding just a small amount of hot glue to help hold the ribbon in place. This metal ribbon has a hole at the top and the bottom of each circle. Those holes are where I place my thumbtacks. I'll say here that this wire ribbon has slightly sharp edges, so I was extremely careful here as well as when pushing through my thumbtacks. Pushing the thumbtacks through the picture frame does require a bit of effort. By the time I got to my fourth piece, I had sore thumbs and decided to use something different to push in the remaining thumbtacks. I decided to use this paint marker instead. I simply added a small amount of hot glue to the marker top. I placed the head of the thumbtack onto the hot glue, and then I used the marker to push in the thumbtack. Once I had all of my metal ribbon pieces in place, I then used a small amount of hot glue to add Dollar Tree acrylic gems to my design as well. Next, I return the glass and the cardboard back to their frames. Next, I used hot glue to secure the pieces of glass in place. I'm also using hot glue to secure the cardboard in place as well. Next, I removed the mirrors from my Ornate frames, and I used hot glue to attach those mirrors to the inside of my wall sconce. For my lighting source, I'm using this waterproof LED light with remote control set that I purchased from Five Below. Of course, I don't need it to necessarily be waterproof, but I did like that the casing on this was clear and that the light was super bright just because you're supposed to be able to submerge it in water. To attach my light, I'm using hot glue. I could have also used some Velcro, but it's just as easy for me to add the device with hot glue. The hot glue is strong enough to hold the light in place, but it's temporary enough so that I'll be able to pull the light away from the wall sconce, replace the battery, and return it later. I could use the hanging hooks on the back of the picture frames to hang my wall sconce, but to hang this wall sconce, I am using command strips. And here's the finished look. Of course, I made a pair of these and I think that they turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I have several wall sconces throughout my home that are a lot more expensive and they usually require hard wiring to give off good light, including this one that I picked up some time ago from Home Depot. But I think that my version is just as beautiful. It gives off really nice light, including this rainbow effect, and it only cost me about $15 to make. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.